Hey, Mama. I'm out at Mendon Ponds Park outside of Rochester, kind of close to Honeoye Falls. And that video I put yesterday, you made the comment about something looking enchanted. And I have read about this place, and there's supposed to be some really cool enchanted looking things on this. It's actually a children's interpretive trail, but I think it might be a lot of fun, so let's give it a try. I love you, Mama. It's a pretty day today. Nice sunshine. And that's why I'm gonna enjoy today, because the weekend is not gonna be fun for me. I'll be inside reading all weekend because it's gonna rain. But that's okay. Got lots of books to read. And here we have Sharon's Sensory Garden. We'll have to come back in a couple weeks when all this is bloomed out. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. Look at here. Welcome to Sharon's Garden. May your senses be delighted. I like that. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. Had a few flowers blooming. It's gonna be really nice when it's all bloomed out. Okay, let's see what the trails look like. And here we have the Mendon Ponds Bluebird Trail. Okay. All right, this sign here says, "The fairies thank you for keeping items away from their door. Bird seed attracts critters and glitter is litter." This is called the Birdsong Fairy Trail. So let's go see if we can find us any fairies. Hey, look at there, a little fairy house right there at the beginning. How about that? Nifty. All right. Oh yeah, check them out. All those little doors up in the tree. That is so cool. Look at here, we got an arrow pointing up. Arrow says point up, so those are so cute. And here we got another little guy sitting right here. How dreary the world would be without fairies. Isn't that the truth? Hey, there's another little knob up there. All right, let's keep on going, see what else we find. This is definitely an enchanted looking trail. I like the way they've got the rocks up on the side here. And this neato looking tree, look at that. That thing definitely looks enchanted. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, there's another sign pointing up. It says up, so we go up. Whoever thought of this idea, man, this is cool. This is neat. Little. Oh, check this one out. This is cool. Look at here. Looks like a little doorway painted right in the side of the tree. And it says, "Fairy meeting place, nightly gatherings held after dark." Cool. And here's another little smaller one. And this one has some steps to it. That is neato. All right. And here we got another little house. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna come back here when all the flowers have started blooming and the trees have all filled out, and look. This one actually has a handle on it. That is so cute. Look. Now this is adorable. They've got a free library out here for kids, and a little door right here in the front, and then you come around the side over here and look. It's a very free library. And there's little books inside there. Isn't that adorable? Huh. Oh, look at this. They put a little bridge between these two. If Vicky and I were fairies, this is where we would live. Vicky was always talking about having houses that connected to each other. That would be awesome. Cool little purple fairy door. This place is so wild. I know little kids love it out here, cause, well, I'm like the world's oldest little kid, but I love exploring. And this place is just beautiful. And you're not gonna get a workout out here by any means, but, oh, nice. Check him out. Nifty. Unfortunately, we're kind of close to the highway here, so you can actually hear the traffic in the background. But so far, that is the only complaint I have about this out here. That's cool looking. It's a little, got a horseshoe and everything on it. Oh, look, it's got a little handle on that up there too. Very cool. Oh, that one's cool. Oh my gosh, there's another one. This one is awesome. It's got little portholes in it. Or one anyway. And then here's another cute little orange. This is a cute little orange door. And got a pretty yellow flower growing down by it. And this place is neat. And got some of these nice big boulders out here that I like too. And a big old boulder. Oh, passed one. There we go. There's the rainbow door. All right. This is pretty cool, Mama. I definitely wish you were out here. You could make this trail. So peaceful here. Of course, I'm here early in the morning before everyone else arrives. Collecting teeth since 1995. Alrighty. My guess would be there's probably an ogre that lives there, and you probably don't want to bother him, so we'll leave him be. Okay. Another little chipmunk over there. They're quick. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. That is true. For all you people that think that magic doesn't exist, guess what? It does. Another cute little fairy door down in here. And somebody put a little stone step there for him. That was nice of them. Oh look, apartments. Very cool. There's some side-by-side apartments there. These trees do have little signs on them that tell you what they are, but I'm not stopping at every one while I'm recording. When I finish the video, I might come back through real quick and just read everything, because I'll have time, because this is a relatively short trail. Troll hole. Okay. Let's go see the troll hole. Maybe there? No. There we go. Oh, cute. He's got a sign in there that says "Gone Fishing the Troll." That is so sweet. I love this place. All right. Here we got another little guy. And this tree, the root system on it is really cool. That's like an old enchanted tree right there too. Look here. Look at this, mama. Tell me that thing doesn't look enchanted, like it should be in the Wicked Witch's forest instead of here. Very cool. All right, continuing on. Oh, looks like we got a silver door up here. See if we can get that without the sun in our face. Yeah, pretty little silver door. Very cool. Oh, look. That one is cool. It's a little brick house. Check this out. A little brick fairy house. And this thing's kind of cool, the way it splits from the bottom there. Yeah, it's like a hollowed out. It's like the middle part of the tree is gone and just the bark remains. That's very different. Huh, cool. Oh, another little bridge. And another little potential neighbor house, but Vicky and I couldn't live there because one of our drunk asses would fall off trying to get back home after we'd had a night of partying at the other one's house. Oh, nifty. I just love these ones that they actually put the little door handles on. I think that is adorable. Cool. That's a creepy looking tree. Looks like a doorway. Maybe it's a Stargate portal. Lots and lots of these little houses. Oh. Little gray squirrel up there, he was too quick for me. I'm used to just seeing brown squirrels, so those gray ones and the red ones kind of freak me out a little bit. Look, there they go. Scamper, scamper. Yeah, they're quick. Hey, check this one out. Somebody put this. Oh, that looks like a mushroom. That's cool. Huh. Oh, definitely cool. Let me get over here so the sun won't be behind me. All right, looky here. You got your little lookout tower. Looks like a lighthouse. And then over here, you got your doors and your windows. Very cool. I think that might be the end of the birdhouse part. I mean the fairy house, rather. We'll continue on and see if we see anything more. Even if we don't see any more fairy houses, this walk itself is just gorgeous. It is just beautiful down here. I'm sorry, I have the hiccups. Oh, no, there's another fairy door. This one got a handle too. There's a woodpecker doing this thing too. Squirrels are really active playing today, but they're so quick I can't get them on video. There he is, right there. They stacked up a bunch of branches around that one T. It's almost teepee style. Wonder what they're gonna do with that. I think we're coming to the end of the trail. Like I said, just a little short trail here, but I wanted to make you a little video today, as you like pretty things and I like showing you pretty things, so this is definitely a beautiful place. I'd bet my money it's enchanted. All these fairy doors, how can it not be? And even got a troll, maybe an ogre or two that live in here. I'm sure we didn't see all the doors. But that's okay, we saw quite a few. Look, mama, deer. There's two of them out there. I see the other one wagging his tail in the brush. How about that? We got to see some deer. Hi, pretty baby. She's just looking at us. So sweet. All right. Hey, back out there. Yeah, this is definitely the Innis Trail. There is another little spot out here at Mendon Ponds that I want to go and take a look at. So that is another deer. Oh gosh, there's several of them. Very cool. But as I was saying, there is another place out here at Mendon Ponds that I want to go explore. So we'll head on over there and see what we find. This is my first time out here. That little chipping noise you hear, that's the noise that these chipmunks make. These chipmunks sound like birds. Oh look, there's a female cardinal. Can we see her? There she is. Oh, there she is. Ah, I missed her. I'm sorry. I tried. There's another tree that they put all those sticks around. Maybe they're making something for the birds. Oh boy, I didn't get that, but that squirrel just leaped up about 5 feet in the air. That is a mighty squirrel. Had one heck of a jump. All right, Mama, I'm gonna close this part of the video for now and then see if I can find another place that I read about. I love you, Mama. Hey, Mama, I'm now at Mendon Ponds Park at the area they call the Devil's Bathtub Trail. I'm not sure why they insist on everything up here being named Devil or something evil, but we're gonna go down here and take a look at Deep Pond. And here we go. Start now with stairs. Oh, it's a pretty little pond. Now, from my understanding, what I read on these ponds is back in the day when this area was all covered by glaciers, whenever that glacier came through, it kind of dug these little holes, and when the glacier melted, it left these ponds behind that they actually call kettles. So these are kettle ponds. Just enjoying that sunshine today because I'm not getting any this weekend. Sorry. All right. This is a pretty cool little trail. Cool looking. Oh good, we're getting rid of this wood stuff. Some of these planks are kind of giving way a little. It might not be a good thing for somebody who's bigger than me. And a little squishy, that's okay. Oh, and a little squirrel up there. See if we can get him. Yep, there he went. Right or left? Let's go left. Boy, that woodpecker's getting it. You little, I heard you. Yeah, too fast for me. I know I'm not saying much right now. I'm just looking around. I'm in awe. This is really pretty and peaceful out here. Yeah, this is actually one of the county parks in Monroe County. It was saved from developers way back in the day and made into a county park. And I'm glad they did, because this place is really, really beautiful. Yeah. We'll go a little further, then we're gonna turn around and go back. There's one more place I wanted to take a look at today, if I have time. Some of those squirrels get to rustling around those leaves, and it sounds like a big animal coming at you instead of just a little squirrel. What's so cool about this place is on this side you got like a little bog, a little swampy water area. Got slime on it. And then you roll around to this side and you got this hill with all these big pretty trees on it. It's like I'm walking down the middle of two different worlds right here. This is really pretty. Oh, another tree with a hollowed out area. Another Stargate. Ooh, we're not alone. Except out here, we alone. Thankfully. I'm sure during the summertime, when the kiddos are out of school, they're gonna be roaming around out here. And I don't blame them. This is a great place to explore. Hey, chipmunk down there. Ooh, he's too fast. Oh, that's a cool looking stump. Check that thing out, mama. And another gray squirrel over there. Too fast. Hey Mama, so I made it back to the trailhead at Devil's Bathtub. I just looked at the time. I'm not gonna have time to go check out that other area I wanted to check. But we'll come back out here again another day when more flowers and stuff are blooming, more trees and everything. But I want to try to get this video edited and uploaded before I go to work. So until next time, I love you, Mama.